What is up, guys? We got day 2 here for you. It's really early in the morning, so I just woke up. But we're gonna see what we got here in day 2 for our pack of cards. I think it's a pack of cards at least. So, yeah. All right, looks like we got some more retro cards. We got Fleer 1990. Okay, that's pretty cool. So here, let me get this set up. Let me set up the table real quick, and I will open these up real quick. That's pretty sick. All right, now we got these 1990 Fleer basketball. I've never opened any of this, so it's fifth anniversary edition. So I'm excited to get into this, see what we got here. I don't know if there's still a pack of gum in these. I don't think so. Okay. Obviously, they used to, that's when the 96 Fleer, or the 86 Fleers, the Michael Jordan rookie card, those packs are insanely expensive. But we got this is a cool pack. We got Johnny Newman, Vinnie Johnson, Hershey Hawkins, Charles Barkley Fleer 90s All-Star. That's a cool one right there. We got a Danny Young, James Worthy. Oh, I thought that was gonna be a Mike. Will Purdue, Kurt Rambis, Gerald Wilkins, Isaiah Thomas. That's a cool one. John Stockton, another cool one. LaSalle Thompson, I don't know. Ed Pickney, Derek Smith, and a checklist. So, hey, there were some pretty cool cards that were base. Isaiah Thomas, John Stockton, there's James Worthy over there. So some pretty cool retro cards right there, James Worthy. And then that Charles Barkley All-Stars. So yeah, it's a pretty cool pack. This was day 2 of 24, so just stay tuned, guys, because we'll have more days leading up to Christmas. But anyways, guys, thanks for watching.